Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to a zoo. I'm going to Zoorasia, which is a very popular zoo in Yokohama. They have an animal that is like a zebra mixed with a giraffe type of looking animal. So I've always wanted to go to that zoo. I'm going there today and I'm going there alone. I'm gonna do a little solo type of thing today, but I'm gonna meet up with my friend after because we're going to this garden place which I went to like 2 years ago. So I'm going back there, so just taking the natural environment, nature, all of that stuff. So I'm actually heading out right now so that I can have a little time, ample time at the zoo, because I don't want to have to be rushing or Psycho. Where's Psycho? Is me alone, I have 30 minutes to spare, so I decided that I'm gonna just explore this mall and wait on my bus to come. Alright guys, so I just came out of the bus. Let me just tell you guys what just happened to me. So I was at the bus stop. That's before I went into this bus, and I was in a line. But the line that I was in, it was just one line, but there were many different number buses that came there. So there was this lady that was in front of me, but she went to sit down, and then when a bus came, she came back in front of me because she was in front of me from before. So this other elderly woman, she saw that the lady came in front of me, and then she came in front of me. So I'm like, and this is something that they always do. So the lady, I guess the lady thought that because the first lady came in front of me, which she was already in front of me from before, she thought that she could have come in front of me. But she was a very, very, very elderly woman, and her she had like, she walked with a bent, and she had like a little trolley pushing. So there's no way I could have said like, move from in front of me, like stuff like that. And she was there like, giving me like the puppy eyes. I'm like, what the hell? It was so funny but so cute. So she was just little, like I'm short and she was way shorter than me. I noticed that a lot of like elderly Japanese people, they are very short, like shorter than me. So she was there, and the bus that came, it wasn't even my bus, so she went in that bus. So even if I had told her to like step out of my space, she would still get to go in the bus because that wasn't my bus. But anyways, I'm walking to the zoo. I don't know where it is, but it says 4 minutes walk from here. So I'm gonna just use my Google Maps. I need my phone. Tell you guys know when I reach. Yeah, I think I'm close because I can see animal statues. Yep. I wonder if I turn up here or what. Oh, but that's the sign. Yeah, I remember this road. I came this way about 2 years ago. We went to Satoyama garden 2 years ago, and it was, yeah, we came here in spring, but I saw wait, this is what the Butsu no Mori Park. Okay, this is not the zoo, but there are animals. Well, this is not the name of the zoo. The name of the zoo is Zoorasia, but that's not the sign here. Anyway, so I came here about 2 years ago, and no, I came this side. So across from here is a garden which we went to, and we're gonna actually go there. Well, Nicolette and I are going to go there after. So I'm going to go to the zoo, and then Nicolette is gonna meet me at the garden. But this place looks really nice, well kept, nice and all. So I'm exploring the zoo. This actually feels good, exploring by myself, depending on myself and all of that. And it wasn't, jeez, this man frightened the living hell out of me. It wasn't that hard to find. Anyways, recording him, recording that. Animals, nice. Ticket area. Okay, so I'm an adult, so I'm paying my money. Okay, one, I guess one, this one, Right, let's see, where should I go? I have no idea. Let me just follow the people. This is the only animal I came here to see, and if they have panda, that's all. I don't want to see any other animals. You know, come to think of it, I should have asked for an English map or asked if they have any, because I don't know where I am going and I have like 1 hour to leave this place. Look so cranky. The tiger is over there, so the only thing separating me from this tiger is this pond. These things are creepy, yo. Anyways, I'm in this hot type of thing, and there's supposed to be a lion. I don't see any. Oh, he's over there. Do you see? Probably is resting. The lion sounds tired. Red panda. Every time I see penguins, I remember the movie, The Penguins of Madagascar. I love that movie. And I also love King Julian. It's my favorite. I'm guessing I'm close to Okapia. Where are you, Okapia? Finally made it to Okapia. I wonder what this is saying. I wonder. Hey turtles! People, I had to use Google Maps to exit this place. Google Maps. But anyways, Nicolette is here. Nicolette. Hi, Nicolette. Look, it's the glow for me.
It's nice. It's shine forward actually for me.
Yeah. So we're walking from Zoorasia to Satoyama, which is about 6 minutes walk.
And we could have taken a shuttle bus.
But the thing is, the place closed in 1 hour, and we didn't know what shuttle bus to take and how long it would have come. So it's better to walk. Just 6 minutes. That's not bad. Run, girl, run. Whew, but we are hungry because it's what, maybe 3:30 now, and we only ate breakfast. Ah, yeah. Satoyama Garden. We made it to Satoyama Garden for the second time. We came here in 2019. Nice. It's not even 4:30 yet and they're rushing us out of this place. Now it's food time, so we need to decide where we're gonna eat and what we're gonna eat. Yeah, we're in the bus at my station. We're coming out the bus, so we're gonna get some food. We're gonna get food. Come, it's 10 minutes away, 10 minutes walk. Yeah, I'm joking. I'm not eating no KFC. I can't eat chicken yet. Yeah.
The paddle in a
Paddle? Yeah. Okay guys, so it's literally 1 minute away. It's right here, girl. It's right here. So we have to use the machine to order. Okay. To English. I'm gonna get this one. but I'm gonna ask for no meat. And I want corn. So this is me. Oh, I need money. Food is here. I got spicy miso ramen. Nicolette got miso ramen and gyoza. This is not hot, okay? It's not spicy, I should say. I'm gonna try it. Is it soy sauce?
It can go in here.
Oh,
What's up with that?
thank you. It's good. I'm done. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.